big on secondhand stuff because it's cheaper. I got some stuff to sell. I have to really get selling. Today I'm picking up this Ryobi leaf blower vacuum, and then I'm going to go to another person's place and get the Ryobi bag. And straight after that I'm going to another place in Robina to pick up 6 free white leather dining chairs. Basically doing this all morning. Then I get to try and fix the seats. You get 6 chairs in, but these are free and they are leather. And they were worth the neighbours looking at me weird. I didn't even have to go back to the workshop. Like 2 loads. I even got the Ryobi, the leaf blower in here. So these chairs have cost me 1 20-minute drive and 1 20-minute trying to put them in the car. I got these 6 white leather chairs. So how are we going to clean it? We're going to clean 1 chair, so if we wreck 1 chair, there's 6 set. Will become a 4 set because no one wants to buy a 5 set. This chair looks like the worst out of the 6, so this is going to be the guinea pig. I'm going to dry dust it with a microfiber cloth. That's going to be our duster. Next, I'm just going to use microfiber cloth with a bucket of warm water. I'm just going to do half the seat to try the magic sponge idea. And this is just warm water. There's no solution. I don't have anything. That's dirt, just come off. It's just dirt, that's not leather chair. Otherwise it'd be white. So I'm going to use the other side. I'm just going to keep going on the same spot. That's the second layer. Dry it. Okay, so that's the magic sponge side. This is just the warm water and microfiber cloth side. Okay, we're going to use the coconut oil and this spatula to get it out because it's hard. Oh, that's a lot of coconut oil. Okay, we're going back to magic sponge and we're going to dip him in the coconut oil. We're either going to ruin this chair or make it very slippery. Like it's cleaner than any other chair, but worse than any other chair. The magic sponge first is a lot better than this side. I don't know if I've made it better or if I've ruined it. It's hard to say. Feels nice and hydrated. Yeah, I've only done the top. I purposely didn't do this to see the difference. So it is a different white. It's definitely whiter. I have coconut oil all over the other chair, so that looks like that's going to be my other test chair. Drying up a lot more of the black stuff in all the cracks. The more it dries, the worse it looks. Yeah, the chair's definitely looking worse. It's either I got rid of like one of the layers, and now this is just showing up what's really underneath, like all the dirt, or I ruined it. So this chair is going to make the 6 dining chair sale into a 4 dining chair sale, which means another chair will be dedicated to science. So since I may have either gotten closer to a proper clean or further away, we are going to steam clean it with demineralized water. So let's give this a try. So if you have another idea that you would like to know about when it comes to cleaning leather, and you're like, does it really work? I don't know, I don't want to watch a million YouTube videos. Leave a comment and I'll test all your ideas on portions of the second sacrificial white free leather chair. Whoa. Alright, so we fill this up. I sold a ton of stuff. Yeah, the trolley. Somebody just wanted the trolley. $25 for 68. Now I have to have a tetanus shot.